In front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down to access sound and vibration. Then scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to vibrate phone calls to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. You can also tap on this switcher next to vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Lastly, click on vibrate on tap and choose intensity of touch vibrations by clicking on one of the available options, like medium. You can also click on off at the top to disable them completely. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!